In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Whatagraph to Looker Studio. By the end, you'll have your marketing data flowing smoothly from Whatagraph into Looker Studio so you can build clear, customizable dashboards with confidence. First, let's prepare your data in Whatagraph. Make sure the sources you want to report on are connected and authorized in Whatagraph. This includes platforms like GA4, Facebook Ads, Google Ads, and any others you rely on. If a source isn't connected or has expired permissions, your dataset won't transfer correctly, so it's worth double-checking everything here before you move on. Next, open the Organize tool in Whatagraph to shape exactly what will be sent to Looker Studio. This is where you can blend sources, transform fields, and choose the specific metrics and dimensions you want. Think of Organize as your staging area. You can streamline noisy data, align naming across platforms, and select only what you intend to visualize later. If you report on campaigns, for example, pick consistent dimensions like campaign name and date, and include metrics such as clicks, cost, conversions, or revenue. Less is often more. A tidy, purposeful dataset will perform better and be easier to understand in Looker Studio. Give your dataset a clear name so it's easy to find later. Once your transfer is active, head over to Looker Studio and either create a new report or open an existing one you want to enhance. In the report, click Add Data, then choose Looker Studio Data Source. A list of available datasets will appear. Locate the dataset coming from Whatagraph. If you don't see it right away, try searching by the name you set earlier and make sure you're using the same account that has access. Select it, then add it to your report. After it's added, Looker Studio will show your fields in the data panel. From here, you can start building visuals, charts to track trends, tables for detailed breakdowns, and scorecards for at-a-glance KPIs. Use the dimensions and metrics you selected in Whatagraph to keep everything consistent. Set a sensible default date range, and apply filters or segments to highlight the stories you want your dashboard to tell. Remember, the freshness of your data follows the transfer schedule from Whatagraph, so if numbers look out of date, check the transfer status rather than rebuilding your visuals. That's it. Prepare and refine your dataset in Whatagraph, ensure the transfer is active, then connect it in Looker Studio and start visualizing. With a clean, well-structured dataset, your dashboards will be faster to build, easier to maintain, and far more actionable.